Miles Grandjean of Haiti, Samuel Green, Grenada, Devontae Howell, Cayman Islands, Malachi Austin, Guyana, Aragon Striker, Barbados, Johan Ramalda Smythe, Jamaica, Gary Card, Jamaica, and Kia Davis of St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Striker, fastest in qualifying, but Devontae Howell, 100-meter champion, had a scintillating run in the opening round.
Didn't chase Striker in their semi-final. Will have to chase him here. The Caymanian 10-1-5 to defend the 100 title. There is Gary Card of Jamaica, has run 20.79 this year. 21-1 to qualify for this final. Finished second at the Jamaican High School Championships to the Vincentian Kingston College athlete Amal Glasgow, who is of course no longer a junior, so ineligible to compete at the Carifta Games. But Devontae Howell in lane number 3 became the 9th athlete to defend the Under-20 Boys 100 title. But let's start with Kia Davis. National Under-20 record holder for the St. Vincent and the Grenadines, has run 20.87. Gary Card of Jamaica goes in 7. His personal best is 20.79. He's fresh, didn't run the 4x1 relays for Jamaica last night. Johan Ramalda Smythe was an anchor for the Jamaicans as they took silver behind Trinidad and Tobago. He wants an individual medal though. Aragon Striker has looked really good in qualifying, 20.86 in his semi-final. He's in terrific form. Malachi Austin, Guyana, won the 400 meters title. He's run a lot though, was part of their mixed relay team that won gold and the team that got them to the 4x4 final. The 100 champion, Devontae Howell, twice the 100 champion, 9th athlete in the history of the Carifta Games to defend the Under-20 Boys 100 title. Samuel Green of Grenada was in the 100 final. He returns to the 200 final. This man, Miles Sacha Grandjean, has had quite a road to the final. He was left in the blocks in qualifying, put in another heat. He ran 21.27 to get into the semis, and here he is in the championship race. Devontae Howell can make a real push for the Austin Seeley Award with a big win here.
So too could Malachi Austin.
Very much the case, 46.35 to win the Under-20 400 meters Austin. He's run so much. Gary Card, the Jamaican, is a danger. Aragon Striker, I thought, was so impressive through the first 2 rounds. Did not run the 100 to save himself for the 200. Will it pay off? Off they go. Gary Card got up quickly for the Jamaicans. Card has already taken a couple meters out of Kia Davis of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Striker is running brilliantly. So is Devontae Howell. Striker, Howell, and Card. 3 of them down the home stretch. Card is inching ahead. Striker is fighting back. Howell is back in 3rd. Card beats the field. Oh, that's a stunning performance. 20.19 on the clock. That is sensational. We've got to get a reading on the wind. Oh my goodness me, what a performance. 20.60 is what it is officially now. If it is wind legal, it is a lifetime best for the Jamaican. Aragon Striker's decision to forego the 100 and focus on the 200 proves to be the right one. He's the silver medalist. And the 100 champion, Devontae Howell of the Cayman Islands, I think has to settle for 200 bronze. There's your champion.
Brilliant performance from him. Top 30 all time in the CAC region if wind legal. The man from the University of Waterford, number 128, Aragon Striker, takes a second after pushing Card just about all the way. But it's all Card came in as a favorite, justifying his tag as the top man in this field.
20.90 for Howell to take the bronze medal. Here's another look at it.
Great running there from Striker on the inside. Great running from Card as well. They looked good on the curve. Streaker coming into the straight, and he is neck and neck with Card at this moment, but Card just holding his relaxation and able to allow the speed to express itself. Look at that face. A little bit of tension there for Aragon Streaker, but Card coming through easy, relaxed, powerful. Wind reading coming up momentarily.
Positive 1.8 meters per second. It is wind legal. Gary Card, just 16 years old, wins the under 20 boys 200 meters in a personal best 20.76. Aragon Streaker runs the fourth fastest time by a Barbadian junior, 20.76 for silver. Devontae Howell of the Cayman Islands takes bronze at 20.90. Kia Davis of Ascension, another young man who did not run the 100 to focus on the 200, finishes in fourth at 21.10. Romaldo Smythe of Jamaica, 21.27. Samuel Green in his second final, 21.41 for Grenada. Malachi Austin, the 400 champion, out of contention here, seventh.
This was a fantastic 200 meter finals. You have the Jamaican Card with 20.60 winning. Striker in second place with 20.79. And from the Cayman Islands, Devontae Howell, the 100 meter winner, finishing with 20.90. A fantastic run and well done by the young man, Devontae Howell, who carried the Cayman Islands on his back and end up with a bronze medal and a gold medal going back to the Cayman Islands. But the night belonged to Grey Card. He ran a fantastic bend and finished them down the stretch. He showed that he was the class of the field and showed that he had even a second gear to spare, because he had time to point his finger across, telling them that no, Bobo, not tonight. Tonight belongs to me. However, the rest of the field finished fourth. You have Davis, Kino Davis, and from Jamaica, Joanne. The other Jamaican in the race could only manage 5th place on the night, with 6th place going to Samuel Green. From Grenada and Guyana, Austin and 21.99. We commend all of these guys that participated in this run in 2024 Carifta. They did well, and I can tell you the 200 meters is not easy to run. It's, I think, behind the 100, is simply one of the hardest race to execute, because it is all speed from the sound of the gun till the end of the finishing line. All 200 meters is not easy. On the night, these young men continue to show, continue to entertain us, continue to show the world that they are moving on to the next step. This is the under 20 boys 200 meters final. I know some of these young men would have been looking at the exploits of Bolt. Bolt is the master 200 meter technician. They would have looked at him. I see how Card took the corner, and he's really a tall guy. How he took the corner, you know that he was watching some of Bolt's videos, because he ran that bend flawless. And I must say to all the young men, Howell did wonderful, because he came off the bend in front, but I think he ran out of steam. You know, running that 100 meters would have taken a lot from his body, both physically and mentally. So running the 200 here, the longer version, this would be a big ask. This was a big ask for the young man. But I can see that Devontae Howell had speed. But on the night, Card showed that he was the man of the night, and that he was the better athlete, the better prepared. Because I don't believe he ran in the 100. He only ran in the 200 meters, so he had fresh legs to go. And it showed tonight that he was fresher than the rest of them in the field. The Caribbean continue to produce some very good athletes, from Bahamas, Bermuda, the Cayman Islands. You have even Haiti, Guadeloupe. All the Caribbean islands are doing exceptionally well, and the Carifta is a platform and a stage where they can come and showcase their talent. And the Caribbean, I'm expecting in years to come, the Caribbean is going to have a larger contingent both at the World Championships and at the Olympics. They need to do better in terms of getting up there and have a stronger presence. Not only the Jamaicans, not only the Bermudans, not only the Bahamians, but other countries stepping up to the plate and even widening the field events to the 800, the 1500, the 3000. So, I know that the Caribbean only look to a few different races like the 200 and the 100. We need to start doing shot put, long jump, triple jump, high jump, and have a bigger contingent from the Caribbean and show the world that it's not only Jamaica's have the sprint factory, but we have depth in the Caribbean because we are out of many one people.